it's Bonfire Night as a house, and a load of our friends are coming round to let off some fireworks, and we sent the boys out just for some fireworks, so gonna wait and see what they come back with. I've already bought some sparklers and a few fireworks, but they're going to buy some more, so yeah. So we sent the boys to get fireworks and they come back with 40 quid's worth of this.
It's gonna go boom!
We should not have let them go alone.
Free fireworks selfie! You know it.
We're gonna send the fireworks!
There's no working
Sparklers.
lighters.
We're trying to light the sparklers, but we can't find a working lighter.
Working lighters.
It's not good. It's not good.
Oh no.
It's not good.
Oh yeah.
Ash has got a working lighter.
Thank you,
Look at
Ash.
Sparkler.
I don't want to light my mitten.
Way! Woo! And it's Bonfire Night's official. Ash lit a sparkler earlier, but I missed it. Alex is now lighting her sparkler. Can I light mine off yours?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Ready?
I think you did it. Woo! I now have my own sparkler. Woo!
Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colours burst. Let me go boom, boom, boom. Let me go boom, boom, boom. See what happens when you don't know the words to a song?
This is Benjamin. What are you doing, Benjamin?
I'm getting ready to light your ass on fire.
We have lit sparklers.
Shall I put this on the ground?
Gabriella, are you having fun with your sparkler? Yeah. We've lit sparklers and they've just lit a firework, expecting it to be like really amazing.
Sorry, can we just
And it's not. It just went off once. But we're having fun with sparklers.
Can I do another
before Ash goes to work?
Yeah, you know. Sparkler.
Yes, Billy, you can do a gold sparkler.
I get a gold sparkler.
Bring the sparklers out.
Sparkler!
Sparklers.
Sparkly!
We're just massive children. Woo! If you can see that light down there, the guys are trying to light the fireworks. Matt's trying to light it, and then they're all going to take it this way. Oh, it's going!
I've got to consider the cafe. Give me a rocket here. No, I'm not going to wind you up.
No, my luck.
Oh, wow!
Oh,
It's lit! Oh! Here it is.
Do it out your ass. Halo, halo.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you get your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. Booyah!
Thank you for joining us for our fireworks for Bonfire Night. This is Matt, Joe, Billy, you've already met Alex, and this is Gabriella.
She's Ashley.
I'm Ashley. Thank you for joining us for our fireworks, and I'll see you next week. Say bye, guys.
Bye.